Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to log into your Indeed account. Logging into your Indeed account helps you access personalized job recommendations, apply for jobs, and track your applications with ease. So, let's get started on how to log into your Indeed account. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Then, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to log in with. After logging in, you will be redirected to Indeed's interface where you can search for jobs. And that's how you can log into Indeed account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.